make. This was made by our colleague Michelle Pacansky-Brock about how to caption videos on YouTube. And so I'm going to show you this process, but you can use this link as something that you refer to later rather than me taking your time now to show you the video. I'd like to show you how I actually do it. And how many of you are using YouTube as a delivery method for your videos? Green check would be, or red X. Okay, so a few of you. I would be curious to know if you, for the red X folks, if you would want to type into the chat room, yeah, blocked at most schools, if you can say your reasons for not. You know, I used to not like this option at all, and I've kind of had a recent epiphany about YouTube. And so aside from it being blocked at some schools, let me show you what I've got here. So I'm going to go into application sharing, and I'm going to show you my computer, and I'm logged into my YouTube account. And so there, you should be seeing my desktop. Is that true? Mm-hmm. Good. So here are videos that I have uploaded into my YouTube account. And you'll notice the top one, I uploaded this before the session so that you didn't have to be painfully waiting around for this to upload. But you can upload your videos like you always upload them to YouTube, which is just log in and click the upload button and then sit and wait. And so this video I uploaded yesterday or the day before, and it was a video that I'd made that doesn't have any captions. And so let me just show you what we have now. And I actually, maybe you've heard all the hype about podcasts. The audio doesn't actually matter on this, so I'm going to turn off my speakers for right now. And so there's a video that's playing here that I uploaded. And what I want to do is I want to add some captions to this. Now an interesting thing happened. This movie has very high quality audio. So you might notice underneath my Need Captions movie is the YouTube demo movie, where I just talked to my web camera on my laptop and I recorded a movie. My demo that I tried to make for you today, doing it that way did not work. I was not able to get decent captions on YouTube with audio that was not very good. So if you are using a USB headset mic or some kind of microphone, you'll get far better results with this YouTube method of captioning. So once the video is uploaded, I'm going to click this little down arrow here, and that's where I get a bunch of options. There's a million places to do the same thing in YouTube, but this is how I do it. I'm going to choose Captions and Subtitles, and this is to add captions to a video that has no captions. And now I have two options here. The top option is for me to upload my own captions track. So if I have a transcript, which I do, let me show you my transcript. So this is a text file, which is the script that I use to record my movie. So for some of you, this is the way you make videos, is you have a script and you read from the script and you make a video. That is a helpful way to get captions. If you don't have a script, then you're going to need to either type this out yourself, or you can use the Deck to Grant, which I'll put a link up to later, to get this transcript typed out for you. That to me is the hardest part of captioning, is getting this recording of what you have. And so for me, if it's my script, it is my transcript, so it makes it very easy. So I haven't formatted this, I haven't done anything fancy to this. This is literally just a text-only file. Now if you have a Word document, you're going to want to save your Word document as a text file, not as a doc or a .docx. But I haven't done any formatting. It's literally just the words as I wrote them. And so I can upload this captions.txt file into YouTube and associate it with this video. Or the next option is English machine transcription. And so this is a new feature in YouTube where if you give it a video that has high quality audio, it's going to go through and try to do the transcriptions for you. So it has tried to make this exact transcript document that I typed. It's trying to do it automatically. And so I'm going to show you both of them. I'll show you what it gave me. I was pretty impressed. It was pretty darn good if you have good quality audio. So I'll do both of them, but what I want to do is I want to add a captions or transcript. I'll click the button and choose a file, and I'll look for that, which was called captions.txt. And so now I have two options here about the type of file that I'm uploading. It can be a caption file which includes the time code, meaning at time 2 seconds I say this, and at time 4 seconds I say the next thing. I don't have that file, right? All I've got is this paragraph form. And so I'm going to just say I'm going to upload you a transcript file which has no time code information. And I'll upload that file. Yeah, it's saying, yeah, you already uploaded this. Okay. And so let me remove it. So there it is, and I'll upload that file. And so what it does, now this is sort of the magic. To me, I was blown away at how good this was. Once this finishes its processing, I'll play it through for you. And what it's doing is it's listening for the patterns in my speech and when I pause, and it's comparing that to this text document that has no timing information whatsoever included in it. And so it's going to decide, oh, at time 4 seconds in, she must be saying simple idea. And it has all of the words right because I've provided it the caption. So unlike the machine transcription, which may or may not be accurate because it's trying to figure out what I'm saying, I know that this captions document is right. So it's finished, and it's uploaded my captions track. And now I have two captions tracks, the one that I put in and the one that it tried to make for me. Let's play the one that I put in. And to prove my point, I'm not going to have, let's put the audio on. Podcasting, but don't know where to start. It's really a pretty simple idea used in some pretty powerful ways, especially in education. The most essential part of podcasting is the casting part. Podcasting uses the subscription model to deliver audio. So that's pretty darn impressive timing for something that I didn't have to go in and put any time code numbers in. Very impressive. Again, if you have bad quality audio, the timing is going to be off, and so it'll try, it'll do its best to try to time these words to the actual audio. Let me just show you the machine transcription so that you can see what happens if I did nothing. So if all I did was upload my video to YouTube and said, YouTube, you figure out what I said and when I said it. And so if I try to play that, let's go back to the beginning here. Maybe you've heard all the hype about podcasting, but don't. Let's see, I bet it's playing the other one still. Let me refresh this. And so when I played the other one, maybe you've heard all the hype about podcasting. No, it's not playing anything. Where to start? Let's see if I can get this to show. Oh, it's not showing. Turn on captions. Simple idea. Not showing me this one right now. And so when I did the machine transcription, it was pretty good. It had typos in it. It didn't understand the word podcast. It always came up as the wrong word. But it was pretty good. So it's something for you to try out if you think that you want to just try it, there's no harm in just trying that machine transcription. Okay, so let's see. For questions here. Is the default 2 lines of captioning? The default seems to be 2 lines of captioning. You can also go in and edit your settings, and so users get to set their preferences about what the font is that they want the captions to show up as. It will also, you can set the size, you can set all of that. And so that's on an end user gets to make those decisions. Is there a way to control the size or edit the machine? So the machine transcription, I believe, let me hold that question and answer that one at the end. I will look at that. I believe there is a download button on that, and then you could download it, edit it, and then re-upload it as an actual captions file. That's a good question.
I think you're correct, actually, Donna, that you can download the time-coded file and try to send it back to the transcript tool in YouTube as well.
Awesome. Yeah. So it's a good first step. So if you don't have a script, it's a really good first way to go through it, and then you're just fixing mistakes instead of starting from scratch. Can you use a caption file for other media players and a DVD? So it depends on if you can get the captions off. Those are I think those are called line 21 captions on your DVD. And if you can get those off, then you can upload that as an SCC file into that transcript. And it will, into the place where I uploaded the file, and I said I want to upload one without timecode. You just say, here's the one with timecode, and you can use that. I don't know how to get the, how to do that. You might be able to use Handbrake to try to get those off. Have you done that, Micah, at all? To get captions off a DVD?
Sorry, I was on mute. No.
Okay.
But yeah, Handbrake might be the option for doing that. Handbrake's a software that rips a lot of things out from those things. So, yeah.
Yeah, so you might try that, and I can get you a Handbrake link also. So YouTube has come a long way, baby, for sure. If you had asked me 6 months ago about putting stuff up on YouTube, I would say, oh, it's just too much. It's not the place to do it.